Welcome back, all you sexy YouTube nail mother lovers. Hayden's here. We are back with another Halloween adventure. Yes, today we are doing some creepy. Wait, before we go any further, clearly, while filming this, I needed to apply some cuticle oil because I was looking through the camera and thought, Jesus, these cuticles are absolutely frightful. Well, while I rub this in, let me. Yep, there's a rub one out joke in there somewhere. Okay, on that note, let's get started. Well, these shenanigans have started already, and it's not even a minute into into the film episode, whatever. Anyway, before things go way down the crude rabbit hole, today we are going to do some googly eye nails, yay! But with cool dragon things underneath that are apparently all the rage, this kind of thing at the moment. What would I know? All I do is this and nothing. So because we are just doing a one-off and we're having fun, I'm not going to bother with the prep and prime, even though I did actually prep and prime this now, but I didn't film it. So we're just doing one coat of Madame Glam's Perfect Black. Why? Because it is perfect. As perfect as the Kirsty Meakin Void. Ooh, controversy! We will find out one day. Perhaps we can do a comparison. Good idea, Cadence. Stop with the ideas, Cadence. You've got enough on your plate with all these other bits and pieces going on. Anyway, welcome to the conversation, anybody. Hello to the two sides speaking in my head. Well, maybe there's more than two. Who can relate? I think we all can. So before I get really manic and go any further, please take a moment to like and subscribe. Most of you watching this right now are not subscribed. So please take a quick second, just hit that little notification and the subscribe button and the notification bell, I should say, so that next time I do something crazy, it at least tries to get to your feed. No guarantees because, you know, YouTube, bunch of fucks. Anyway, maybe I shouldn't use those two in sentences as often as what I do, and then maybe the algorithm would pick us up more. Who knows? Anyway, applying a excuse me, 5D cat eye gel. What makes it a 5D cat eye gel, you ask? I have no fucking idea. I have no idea why it's 5D. It's very shiny and pretty, but I mean, it's a cat eye, just like any other cat eye I have, really. And I'm committing cat eye crimes right now. I'm putting a matte top coat on it. I know. But it's Halloween, so let's just do something funky, hey? And why are we putting... why did I wipe it before I put the matte top coat on? I wiped it to remove the sticky layer. And removing the sticky layer helps the matte top coat go matte. And I am going to do more things on top of this. The cat eye looks pretty cool matte though, doesn't it? It still moves underneath the matte, so it's kind of like a eerie shadow in the background. Hello, Halloween. Ooh, and it feels nice. I just like to touch it. But I am also going to, because I touched it, one, clean it, and two, remove the slight amount, tiny bit of uncured gel that can come through the matte top coat. Now I have no wipe shiny top coat. What are you doing, you mad woman? I'm just going to do a quick little shitty swirly design on top of the mat. And why is it shitty? Why is it little? Just because it's quick, there's no formal function to it. I just wanted to get a shape onto the nail so that we can do the next step. And little devil horn man's popped up. Yes, so I am not just losing my mind and going mad with the top coat, not top coat, fucking matte top coat, shiny top coat. We're all just top coating here today. No, there is a rhyme to my reason and a reason to my rhyme. Oh my gosh, am I like a rapping, rhyming person? I don't even know anymore. I don't even know anymore. I'm just a rambling mess, really. But once we have completed the top coat shenanigans, FDA07 mirror affecting liquid. It's a liquid chrome. I have no idea who makes it. I'm not even quite sure where it came from. Maybe Temu? I don't remember. Maybe AliExpress. I don't remember. Just trying out new stuff and things to see if I like it. I love this color. Are you surprised? Because it's in that shimmery blue, green, aquary kind of business, and I've got purple underneath. So yes, I know it's the classic Claws by Cadence color combination, but anyway, I digress. Stay with me, people. So I put on the liquid chrome, and I kind of feel like it's way too much product, because when you put the normal chrome on, you just have a tiny bit on your finger and it goes the whole way. But when you put the liquid chrome on, because it's suspended, I guess, it feels like you're using a lot more. Anyway, this is what it looks like after we're fun after we're done, but complete the cure so that your top coat sucks onto that chrome and seals it all in awesomely so that it won't chip or whatever if you were to be doing a normal set of nails. This isn't normal. I'm going back in with the shiny no white top coat over the top of the chrome. 1, to seal it in, and 2, to create the dragon skin effect. So how do we create dragon skin effect? Bubbles! My bubbles. They're all my bubbles. So all of this is dishwashing detergent in an old dishwasher rinse aid bottle, and I have it in my cupboard beside me, and it's always in there. It's been in there forever, and every time I need it, I just shake shit out of it and I have bubbles. I haven't run out yet. Maybe the bubbles are getting a bit average, I don't know, but they still work, and they work great. So I'm just faffing around here, putting bubbles and pushing bubbles all around the place, and I throw it in the lamp as quick as I can. Out it comes with bubble residue on it already. You want to get it in the lamp quick because you don't want all the bubbles to pop, because you want this awesome scaly finish when the bubbles come out. I really like this. I think this is how I might do my nails for Halloween, but stop at this point with different shapes on them, I think. Maybe. What do you think? Tell me what I should do below, so I'll take pictures for you, as always. Yes, I've been slack on Instagram, but, just things are a little bit hectic for me at the moment. But I have ordered something exciting for the month of December. Can you guess what it is? Oh yes, I cannot wait, I cannot wait, I cannot wait. So what am I doing here? I am using Max Estrada's E-Nail Couture Gummy Gel to adhere these eyeballs. to the now. Where did I get the eyeballs? I don't know, doll shop. What we in Australia call oh my god, what's it called? Spotlight, I think. Spotlight is the like fabric store, like a craft store. I'm pretty sure I got them in there. It cost me like throwing things over as usual. Butterfingers with 10-inch nails. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that it was Spotlight. Anyway, who cares? They only cost me like $1 for a million, and I've had them in my drawer for probably 2 years. Intending to do this for all of this time, and this is the first opportunity that I have given myself to really indulge in something fun instead of the total seriousness we have on this channel. Can you see me with the air quotes, inverted commas? Ah, I knocked it over again. Stupid eyeballs. So I am taking Nibira? I don't know. Marble ink, number 8, and a whole bunch of other different colors. And these eyeballs are plastic. So I'm putting the marble ink over the top of the plastic and allowing it to air dry. The plastic sort of soaks up a bit of the marble ink, and it actually dried quite well. I couldn't buff my finger along it. But what I will say about the Max Estrada, I was going to tell you about the Max Estrada product before I got very fucking sidetracked. I would not use the Max Estrada product to adhere anything to the dragon scales without using I guess you can't use a top coat over the dragon scales, otherwise the dragon scales go away. So the Max Estrada gummy gel didn't stick to the dragon scales pretty much at all. So I ended up using the McCart rhinestone glue, and that stuff, as we all know, the age-old Australian saying, sticks like shit to a blanket. It may not be Australian, it may be worldwide, I don't know. Let me know, do you say this wonderful, beautiful, lovely saying in your country? It's so heartfelt and wholesome, isn't it? Yes, it is. It's not really, it's quite disgusting, but anyway. So we've gone through the gamut of colours with the marble inks, ending on number 3, which is an orange. So I couldn't see because I have a chalk sitting on me right now. Rhonda's with me. So what I'm going to do now that the marble ink has air dried is use a rubber top just from Beauty Lux. Use a rubber top coat to coat the top of the eyeballs and make a little dome, and also just have a little securing ring around the outside of the eyeballs so that it's a little bit more secure if I was going to wear this around and not have the eyeballs ping off immediately. I think this is what I would do, or I'd use the rhinestone glue, or I don't know, even a polygel or hard gel, or any you could use anything really. But I wanted to put something over the top to cause a lensing effect, so that the eyeballs not only were secure, one, but they are magnified, and you can see there compared to the other ones really quickly that is more magnified and more googly and funny. So please leave a comment. We're coming to the end of the video now. Say anything you want. Be respectful in the comments. We're going to talk about that in one of the videos coming up in the future. If you like this video, please take a moment to subscribe, help out a fellow YouTuber. And this is all the googly eyes covered. I think they look awesome, and they actually Google. Maybe I will do it for Halloween. It looks really quite disconcerting, I think, to have them googly eyeing, and see how it's lensing. See how the googly eyes are bigger now than what they were before. It's just, I don't know, it's such a funny nail. I still have it on I've got it on my light, and I tap it and the googly eyes giggle, 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 giggle. Every time I am sitting there thinking or having a moment, which isn't off, actually, I have a moment quite often, to be honest with you. I put it on a stick so that you can see it sort of jiggle without my hand in the way, even though it's falling off. Yeah, so I just give it a tap and the little eyes jiggle. It makes me laugh. Makes me laugh. Anyway, everyone, all you sexy dudes, I will leave you here. Like I said, thoughts, feelings, ideas, desires in the comments, and I will see you sexy YouTube nail mother lovers in the next video. Cadence out. Happy Halloween. Wait for some more, please. Bye.